Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how you can remove a notification virus like a Tabula ads or other like that things in the Motorola G23. So at the start, if you see something like that in your notification bar or something like that when you're trying to visit any site or just on your home screen, that means you have a notification virus and you can try remove it without antivirus. So at the start you have to open the settings, then go to the apps and see all apps. Then look for this app list. For the strange app, the apps you have not installed before, just look for that unwanted apps. If you see something like that, just tap on it and choose uninstall. Uninstall this app and or more apps, and then go to your web browser app. Then go to the storage and cache and tap on the manage space. Then tap on clear all data and click OK, and your web browser should be free from notification virus. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can always try to download antivirus app. In my case it's Avast. You can also try to download other app, but remember to choose trusted company. So in the Avast we have to launch it, so click skip and close to ads. Then tap on the continuous free and choose start scan. Now allow app permissions, and after the scan the viruses and unwanted softwares will be deleted. And that's it. I hope that was helpful for you, and thanks for the watching. Goodbye.